Hello YouTube, welcome back to the second part of the second tutorial dealing with shapes and techniques. And in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to deal with circular parts and how to make holes in them. The first method that we have to make a hole is the most simplest one, where we're using just a hammer and a nail. We place our piece and we put our nail on it, and we've created a small hole here. Don't know if you can really see that, but you can widen it. Just push the nail further in, or just use a larger nail, and you can just sand here the excess material, and then you have a nice clean hole. If you're using this method and you want to widen the hole or anything like that, then you obviously need a set of little files where you can work the inside of the hole, maybe like to make a notch here or something like that. And the second method is by using this tool, which I already showed. It's a punching tool, and you just place it like that. Align it in the center, and you press, and you have a nice hole. Again, you have excess material here, so you want to remove that, just sand it away. You can use a Dremel with a Dremel bit like this one, just a grinder, and you can basically start just by making a tiny hole and then work your way until you reach the outer line. Obviously I use this method a lot since I have a Dremel tool. When I want to make just tiny holes, maybe to put some sort of a shaft here, or something small that needs to hold a gear or something, then I use a nail. But when I want to make larger holes, larger than 3-4 millimeters, I first use the puncher, then I sand it off, and then I use my Dremel to widen it. Obviously you can also use a drill. If you have a nice drill with a stand, then you can use it as well. But that's pretty much it. So this is how we make holes. And once we've made the holes, then we start cutting out our actual part. It was easier to make the hole with the part still in the sheet. And now we're going to use just scissors and cut out the part nicely, and we won't have any deformations or anything like that. A point worth mentioning is that when you're cutting the circular shape out of the steel sheet, don't cut with the end of your scissors, because that might just cause a tear. Just cut with the back end of the scissors and work it all along the way. That was it. That was the second part. I hope you liked it. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and